Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best vlogging camera. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Vlogging cameras with 1-inch CMOS and 4K 120 FPS vlog camera. 3-axis stabilization, fast focusing, face/object tracking, digital vlogging camera for YouTube. Brand, DJI. Recommended uses for product, vlogging, travel videography, on-the-go video recording, content creation. Photo sensor technology, CMOS. Video capture resolution, 4K. Maximum focal length, 20 mm. Maximum aperture, 2f. Flash memory type, micro SD. Video capture format, 4K. Capture stunning footage. This vlogging camera features a 1-inch CMOS sensor and records in 4K resolution at an impressive 120 FPS. Capture breathtaking night views and sunsets with enhanced clarity. Effortlessly frame your shots. Get the ideal composition with Osmo Pocket 3's expansive 2-inch touchscreen that rotates for both horizontal and vertical shooting. Ultra steady footage. Say goodbye to shaky videos. Osmo Pocket 3's advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization delivers superb stability. Enjoy smooth footage while dancing, chasing pets, or vlogging. Create captivating vlogs with Xtra 6.0. Stay effortlessly in focus as you record on the go. Set Osmo Pocket 3 up on a tripod and jump, dance, or spin, but remain center frame. Fast and accurate focusing. Osmo Pocket 3 locks onto your subject for sharp, clear footage. Whether filming action-packed scenes or still shots, it ensures every detail is captured.
Number 2. 8K Video Camera Camcorder 2025. Latest 88-megapixel Ultra HD video cameras Wi-Fi vlogging camera for YouTube. 18x digital video cameras with 32G card microphone, 6-axis anti-shake IR night vision recorder. Brand, MWIRB. Video capture resolution, 8K. Maximum focal length, 3.37 mm. Flash memory type, SD. Video capture format, MP4. Supported audio format, AAC, MP3. Screen size, 3 inches. Connectivity technology, USB, Wi-Fi. Latest 8K video camera with remote control. This video camera features 8K video resolution at 15 frames per second, with additional options for 6K at 30 frames per second, 5K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 30 frames per second, 1080p.
Number 3. Xtra Muse. Vlogging camera with 1-inch CMOS and 4K 120 FPS videos. Pocket camera with 3-axis gimbal stabilizer. Fast focusing, face object tracking, digital video camera for photography, digital camera. Brand, Xtra Edge. Photo sensor technology, CMOS. Video capture resolution, 4K. Maximum focal length, 20 mm. Number 4. DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo 128 GB. Small 4K/60 FPS vlogging camera with a 1.13-inch sensor. 143-degree wide FOV video, 200-minute recording, swift content transfer. Magnetic POV cam 4K for sports, vlog. Brand, DJI. Video capture resolution, 4K. Maximum focal length, 19 mm. Maximum aperture, 2.8 f. Flash memory type, micro SD. Video capture format, MP4. Screen size, 1.96 inches. Connectivity technology, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Sharper action, brighter details. Osmo Nano's 1.13-inch sensor captures more light for crisp, vivid shots. Ideal as a 4K POV camera or vlogging camera, even in low light or fast action scenes. Ultra-wide 4K clarity. Record every moment in 4K/60 FPS with a 143-degree ultra-wide view. Ideal as a small action camera or for immersive pet POV adventures and vlogging. Effortless portability and versatility. The lightweight magnetic Osmo Nano is the ideal pocket camera for easy carrying. Use it as a portable camera for on-the-go filming and enjoy hands-free POVs. Vivid cinematic colors. Osmo Nano delivers vibrant, lifelike footage with 10-bit and D-Log-M color performance, making it an ideal vlogging or body cam for creative edits and pro results.
Number 5. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Vlogging cameras with 1-inch CMOS, 4K 120fps vlog camera, 3-axis stabilization, face, object tracking, mic included for clear sound, digital vlogging camera for YouTube. Brand, DJI. Photo sensor technology, CMOS. Video capture resolution, 4K. Maximum focal length, 20mm. Maximum aperture, 2f. Flash memory type, micro SD. Captures stunning footage. This vlogging camera features a 1-inch CMOS sensor and records in 4K resolution at an impressive 120 FPS. Capture breathtaking night views and sunsets with enhanced clarity. Effortlessly frame your shots. Get the ideal composition with Osmo Pocket 3's expansive 2-inch touchscreen that rotates for both horizontal and vertical shooting. Ultra steady footage. Say goodbye to shaky videos. Osmo Pocket 3's advanced 3-axis mechanical stabilization delivers superb stability. Enjoy smooth footage while dancing, chasing pets, or vlogging. Create captivating vlogs with ActiveTrack 6.0. Stay effortlessly in focus as you record on the go. Set Osmo Pocket 3 up on a tripod and jump, dance, or spin, but remain center frame.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.